In today's video, I'm going to show you how to host your API on Hostinger in just a few minutes. Whether you're launching a brand new app or moving an existing one to the cloud, Hostinger makes the process smooth and straightforward. Let's go through each step so you can get your API online quickly. Start by visiting Hostinger's official website. This is where you'll bring your project to life and set up your hosting. If you already have an account, click the login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have one yet, click sign up and create your account. It only takes a moment. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your main Hostinger dashboard, also known as hPanel. This is where you can manage everything related to your hosting environment. It's Hostinger's modern take on the traditional cPanel, designed to be intuitive and beginner friendly. From the dashboard, navigate to the hosting section. You'll find it in the main menu. Clicking on it will show you all available hosting options. Since you're hosting an API, the best choice is cloud hosting. It offers excellent reliability, scalability, and performance, ideal for running APIs that need to handle multiple requests or growing traffic. Click Cloud Hosting to explore the plans. You'll see different tiers, each designed for various project sizes and budgets. Review the plan details carefully, focusing on factors like bandwidth, storage, CPU, and RAM to make sure you select the one that suits your API's performance needs. Once you've made your choice, click Select to proceed. Now you'll go through the setup process. Hostinger will prompt you to choose a server location, which affects your API's response time. Pick a location closest to your main user base for optimal performance. After that, confirm your plan details and complete the setup. Once your hosting is ready, you'll be able to access your control panel. From there, open the file manager or connect through FTP to upload your API files. If your API is built with Node.js, Python, or PHP, make sure all required dependencies are installed on the server. You can use SSH access to manage installations or start your API server directly from the terminal. After uploading and configuring your files, test your setup. Open your browser and visit your domain or IP address to confirm that your API is running properly. If everything works as expected, your API is now successfully hosted on Hostinger. This setup gives you a reliable cloud-based environment that can easily scale with your needs, ensuring stable performance and uptime for your users. And that's it. You've just learned how to host your API on Hostinger. The process is quick, efficient, and perfect for developers who want full control with minimal hassle. If you need extra help, Hostinger's support team and detailed guides are always available. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.